Downloading your account data from WhatsApp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to obtain your information easily. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen for Android or the bottom right corner for iPhone to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to Account. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Account option. This section contains various settings related to your account. Step 4. Request Account Info. Within the Account menu, look for the Request Account Info option. Tap on it and then select Request Report. This will initiate the process of gathering your account data. Step 5. Download the report. After a short period, you will receive a notification that your report is ready. Return to the Request Account Info section and tap on Download Report. Follow the prompts to save the data to your device. By following these steps, you can successfully download your account data from WhatsApp. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for help.